Recording. Hey guys, Jake with Fuel DTV. We're out here in an undisclosed location, AKA our Maverick R testing grounds. I've got a couple behind me that we just wicked up a little bit. Kenny's Maverick R, we just threw a Dynojet Boost Commander, adds 4 to 5 PSI, roughly 30 horsepower gain. We're gonna see what that does. And then also we've got an old shop car that we just threw an Evo turbo system on. This is the Paragon P47 400. That means with race fuel and the race tune up to 400 horsepower. Right now we've just got it on the 91 tune, really to put it through its paces and get some break-in miles on it. This is gonna be a little bit of a different video. So we're really just gonna let you guys watch us rip out here and maybe even get a drag race in. Let's get to it. We're live. All right guys, that's a wrap. We took both machines out, did some test and tune on both. Really, both did extremely well. We're pretty stoked with how both of them turned out. The Dynojet Boost Commander, there's a lot of opportunity with just a pretty simple upgrade. That Evo Turbo is gonna be an absolute beast when we wick that thing up to 400 horse with race fuel and the race tune. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, guys. We have more big turbo builds coming soon. We can't do it without you guys. Appreciate you. Make sure you subscribe and we'll see you out there.